Hello everybody. Today I want to ask a question. Whom do you think will replace President Museveni as the next president of Uganda? People in Uganda and around the world have been skeptic and asking who will replace Museveni. The transition of power in Uganda, how will it go? I think it will be smooth. But to me, the person that's going to replace Museveni, I think is going to, not only I think, is going to have a military background. A person again who is going to replace Museveni is going to have a military background. Uganda is not ready for a civilian president. Let's accept that. You see, so the list I'm going to give you of the potential people to replace Museveni, you're going to notice all of them have a military background. What's your take? Do you think a civilian person is ready to replace Museveni as president? Okay, my first take is Jessica Alupo. She's a retired major in the military and she's the vice president. For example, right now from 7 goals, Jessica Alupo is next in line. So Jessica Alupo can't be counted out. Number 2, I think General Mbadi Mbasu Wilson is one of the other people that can replace President Museveni. He's a very trusted person. Right now, General Mbadi is a commander-in-chief and is going to hold a major role in the transition of power in Uganda. So General Mbadi can't be counted out as the next potential successor of Museveni. Is going to hold a very big role in the transition of power in Uganda. Number 3, can't count out General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, Museveni's son. We've heard for a long time about the Muhoozi project, and Muhoozi can't be rolled out. I think Muhoozi also has potential and military backup to rule Uganda. Number 4, we can't count out retired General Mugisha Muntu. He's eloquent. He's a very nice, he's a very eloquent person that I think can hold the top office because he also has military background. Number 5, we can't forget Kano retired Besigye, Kano Kiza Besigye. He's a very eloquent, courageous man and he can't be rolled out. This guy can't be rolled out. There are many other people I haven't put on the list, but I can mention to you faster. I can't rule out Kahanja Muhanga, Lieutenant General Kahanja Muhanga, Major General Charles Okidi. I can't rule out Olum, General Olum, Dick Olum. There are many more other people that that I haven't mentioned. But Peter Elwelu, General Peter Elwelu, there are many people. But what's your take? Whom do you think will be the next president of Uganda?